At Cyngn, we unify autonomous vehicle software, leading hardware, and precise analytics to develop and deploy self-driving vehicles to industrial organizations. Let's do a quick recap of all that we accomplished last year. In short, 2022 was incredibly successful, productive, and prolific. We started the year with a valuable pilot deployment of our Enterprise Autonomy Suite at Global Logistics and Fulfillment, a third-party logistics company. We then went on to surpass our deployment goals with additional deployments at manufacturing sites in Wisconsin and Indiana with the Nordic group of companies. Through these initiatives, we found Enterprise Autonomy Suite increased productivity by over 30%. We secured paid projects with leading global customers, including commercial contracts to jumpstart bringing DriveMod to electric forklifts and mining applications. In addition to these accomplishments, we also aligned ourselves with top brands that can help propel our artificial intelligence and robotics technologies into even more complete solutions for our customers. On the technology side, we submitted over 20 patent applications, including one for DriveMod Kit, a turnkey bolt-on hardware solution that enables the rapid deployment of our self-driving technology. We also released our Enterprise Autonomy Suite 8.0, which included 138 new features and a 75% reduction in cloud computing costs. Overall, 2022 can be defined by what we've built and what we've put in place as we move toward commercialization. Already, 2023 is off to a great start. We've appointed a veteran of the industry as our head of sales and launched a commercial deployment of autonomous stock chasers at US Continental. This is just the beginning of what we see will be a transformational year for Cyngn. We hope you continue to follow along on our journey